Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about the cost calculation for the preparation of a wooden window for our residential building. Why I am choosing this topic means nowadays many people having a doubt on deduction of the construction cost by replacing the wooden window into other forms like UPVC or PVC and some other forms. Okay, so they should know how much cost really needed for construction of a wooden window. That's why I am choosing this topic. For our calculation, I considered the wooden window of size of 4 feet by 4 feet, which is 4 feet in horizontal as well as 4 feet in vertical. And also I considered this wooden window having two shutters. Okay, so basically the cost will takes in two manner. One is for buying the material, another is for giving the labor cost. So I will discuss today each and individual material cost and as well as the labor cost for preparation of 4 feet by 4 feet wooden window. So for getting the total cost for preparing 4 feet by 4 feet wooden window, we have to get the cost for these 5 things. First 4 is a material which is going to be used to prepare the wooden window. Last one is a labor cost, that is obviously carpenter cost. Okay, first one is the wood, which is the major part of the window. As the name itself, it is a wooden window. We used the wood in two places. One is a frame, another one is a shutter. Frame is nothing but the outer portion of the window. Shutter is nothing but gives the grip to the glass. Okay, so second one is the glass, which is used to cover the wooden window, and it has some designs and it is attached with the shutter. Third one is a grill, which gives the safety and security purpose, which is prepared by the steel. Fourth one is the paint, obviously it is giving aesthetic appearance. Then last one is a labor cost, obviously it is a carpenter cost. Okay, so these 5 things takes the cost of the preparation of the wooden window. Now we will see one by one. First thing is a wooden material which is covered in two places. One is a frame, another one is a shutter. For frame, it takes 1.7 square of wooden material. Square means the unit of the wooden. When we purchase the wood in the shop, they will ask how much square is required. So 1.7 square is required for the only frame. Second shutter, it will take 1 square. How this value comes means it also have some calculations. I will explain in future videos, and I will give you a separate Excel sheet for your calculations. Okay, second material is a glass. Glass is also selling by the unit of square feet, so you can get the square feet. We having a 4 feet by 4 feet window, so required glass is 16 square feet. Okay, 4 multiple by 4, so 16 square feet of glass we require. Third one is a grill. It is a steel thing. Approximately 1.5 kilogram of steel is required for 1 square feet of area. So here we have 16 square feet because 4 feet by 4 feet. So we can get 1.5 into 16 square feet. So approximately 24 kilogram of steel is required. Okay. So for the grill purpose, 24 kilogram of steel is required. So next thing is a paint. It is a small area, so I cannot separate the material as well as the labor for the paint. So I take the entire cost, material as well as the labor. In our area, we charge 35 rupees for the painting, which includes the material as well as the labor per square feet. Okay, so paint we have 16 square feet of area, and charge for painting material plus labor is 35 rupees per square feet. Okay, we get the value directly. Then last one is a labor cost. So labor also again it comes under a carpenter person. So in our area it is 140 rupees per square feet. We have 16 square feet of area. So per square feet is 140 rupees. Okay. So now we have calculated the quantities of material as well as a labor. Now we have to provide the unit cost for this material. Okay, this will vary depend upon your requirement and your area. So please inquire within your area and provide this rate. Okay, so first thing is a square wooden thing. I approximately mention here as 1800 rupees per square. Okay, it may be any type of wood, red salt or teak wood or it may be any type of wood, please inquire within your area and give the cost for and you can use the cost for those material here. Okay, so second also wood 1800 rupee per square. Okay, second one is a glass 16 square feet. I mentioned here 55 rupees per square feet because glass has a design work, so these 55 rupee also may vary depend upon your requirement and your design. So next thing is a grill work. We have 24 kilogram of steel required for our particular window. So I mention here as 110 rupee per kilogram for a grill work. You can inquire within your area and please use that value here. Okay, so now we have to multiple this 1800 by 1.7 and 1800 1. Likewise every unit cost should be multiplied by the quantity, we get the total cost value. So finally we have derived the individual material cost as well as a labor cost. So approximately 3060, 1800 rupees for wood, 880 rupees for glass work, 2640 for grill work, 560 for paint work, 2240 for labor cost for carpenter. Then 500 is some miscellaneous things like a small screw and extra. Okay, so 500 for miscellaneous things. So entirely when we add these values we get 11,680 rupees for 4 feet by 4 feet wooden window. Okay, when we divide this value by the total square feet, like 16 square feet we have, so 11,680 divided by 16 we get 730 per square feet. Okay, so when you go for a wooden window of having a 4 feet by 4 feet, you have to spend 730 per square feet for the preparing. Okay, so hope this video will useful for everyone. Share it to your friends also. Thank you.